Looky over there. Oh, looky to the right. Whoa. Shh. I heard Bigfoot. You better hope this trail goes around. If we have to turn around and go back, that's a long ways, ain't it? Look at that, Hunter. Come here.
Woof, woof.
Should have taken a picture of that map, huh?
Woof.
Oh, looky, I hear waterfalls. Hey, let's go left. Come here, let's go left. Looky over there. Oh, looky to the right. Whoa. Let's go down there. Go slow. You don't want to fall down these. Oh boy. Pretty cool, huh? Hey, take your time, buddy. It's gonna be wet. Looky up to the right. Looky up here. Whoa. Look at that. Look at the wall. Look at the rocks. Pretty cool, huh? Whoa, let's go over here. Over here. Looky. Looky up, Hunter. Whoa. Pretty cool? What do you mean they're bigger? That's pretty big. Don't go in there. There's water dripping down right there. Looky up. Oh, look at that, Hunter. Come here. Look at that. What is it?
A waterfall.
They're big stairs, huh? They're good exercise today. Oh, look at that wall. Look at those rocks. Can you climb up that wall? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a big first step, huh? Oh. Holy moly. Oh. Whoa, this is a crazy looking trail. Get up there and sit on the rock. I'll take a picture. There ain't nothing in there.
Yes, it is.
Come here, looky. There ain't nothing in there. Ready? Smile. Smile. Watch where you're going. Whoa. Holy cow. Holy cow. Walk, Hunter Dean.
This is the last part.
Wait, let's turn around and looky this way. Whoa. Shoo-wee. Now we're above the waterfall now. Red Bud Valley Upper Cave Trail. What does that mean? Whoa, see? You're almost falling down everywhere.
The tails. Find the cave.
We are not going that way. That goes right over where we walked. Heck no. Are we at the top?
Yeah.
I don't know which way.
Just walk back down. Just walk back down.
Let's go this way. There might be more.
What's it doing? Daddy, you have to watch me down fast.
Really?
Yeah. You have to walk on.
I think you're full of it today.
Oh, yeah.
No, you ain't. No, you aren't.
Sugar.
Who'd you call me?
Sugar, don't you?
Sugar? Hey, you want some of these?
Daddy,
Are you hungry?
Give me snacks.
No snacks? That means we gotta walk all the way back. You better hope this trail goes around. If we have to turn around and go back, that's a long ways, ain't it? Is that a wolf? Or a doggy?
It's a wolf.
A wolf? Should have taken a picture of that map, huh?
Wolf. That dog says wolf.
That's what dog says?
Wolf.
Wolf.
That's a dog.
Finally found something. What is it? What is it, Hunter? Okay, be careful. Okay, I heard you, Bossy. Bossy McBosserson. Watch where you're going, buddy. Whoa. Hey, what's your name? What was that? Oh, big old bee. I saw it. Keep going. It's all right. He's looking for something. Whoa. Look at that. You want to get a picture of Daddy? Oh, wait a minute. You want to try it? Oh, wait. We can't go that way. Looky. That way goes into the creek. This is the trail. Pretty cool, huh? You want to take a bath in there?
No.
No?
Wait, that ain't deep.
No, it's not deep. It's just a little creek. Creeks aren't that deep, buddy. Oh, man. You want to go right for a second? Go right. Go down here by the creek. I feel like we are so far from the car, Hunter Dean. What do you think? No, let's not cross. Look. Oh, there. Yeah, but let's not cross. We already came from that way. See what's down here. See any cool rocks or seashells? Boy, you threw it all the way across. Wait a minute, buddy. Whoa, you woke up the bears. Alright, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Why? Snakes. I think there's moose. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is a big decision. Wait. Left or right?
No.
How about we keep going left? If we keep going left, we're bound to come back to the waterfall or the parking lot. One of those two. That was somebody shooting a gun, buddy. Walk. Don't run down these gravel hills, buddy. You fall, and guess what? You fall, you're going to slide. The foxes are hiding, buddy. What does a fox say?
What does he say? What does a fox say?
Yup, 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 yup. Can't go down in there.
Whoa. Look at that.
Wait, turn around. Dad wants to get a picture. Wait, turn around. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Good job. Oh, muscles. All right, come on. Oh, you lead the way. Huh. I don't know where we're going. Daddy's never been here before. Oh, I'm Shrek. All right, donkey.
I don't like silly.
You're nuts.
Can we go back to the waterfall and turn the noise?
Hunter, if we turn around and go back, but it's going to take an hour to get back to where we were going. Whoa, look up here. This looks pretty cool.
I see that the waterfall.
No, it's just a creek. Another waterfall? Slow down. Whoa, that looks pretty cool. Stay back from it, bud. Yeah, from the rocks. Huh.
Whoa, what's up there?
That's a hill.
Can we go up it?
No, not today.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I see that.
Hey, we need to get a sled. We need to get a sled, and when it snows a whole bunch. No, we're not going up there. When it snows this winter, looky, when it snows this winter, we're going to bring a sled over here, sneak it back here, and slide down it. Look at all those tree branches, buddy. They just cut down trees right there. Oh, petroleum pipeline.
That means
we got to run. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. There's a creek again. Look, see all those branches and stuff? That's like what beavers like to do.
It's a beaver band.
Beavers like to get a bunch of sticks and stuff and stop up the water.
Why?
Huh? They build little houses and stuff in them. That'd be cool to live back here, huh? Be cool to have a house up there on top of that hill.
Oh, no.
Why? You ride four-wheelers back here. That would be fun. That'd be fun. Shh. Shh. I heard Bigfoot. I heard Bigfoot. What kind of noise does Bigfoot make? No, what kind of noise does he make? No, that's the beanstalk giant. What kind of noise does a Bigfoot make? Boo, boo.
Daddy.
What?
I know that's you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Do it then.
There he was. Big old hairy man.
Daddy.
Okay, let's go.
Chicken meat.
Ooh, pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Wait, stay right there. Stay right there, honey. Quit moving. Look at Daddy. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Oh no. Look at that little tree. Hey, can you walk out on that little tree right there? That one right there.
That's your tree.
Right there it is.
That's a pole.
Ain't no pole. See you later, alligator. Oh, he's catching up. That little baby Bigfoot. What is?
Something.
A bee went up your nose? Look how, buddy, we have walked so far today. You're going to blow your brains out. Keep doing that. Let me see. Oh, it's a snake. What? Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Hunter didn't look. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, buddy. We already came this far. Don't quit now. Come on. You're getting heavy. I'm going to have to leave you. Come on. That's a drain. It goes under there and goes down there to the creek. I have no idea where we're going, buddy. I just hope we make it back to the car this year. I thought you were leading the way. Why can't you? This ain't even hard. This is just walking. Look at our shadows. Stop. Look at our shadows. What do you do? Do that one move, or that one dance you and Jonathan do. Goofball. Alright.
Look over there. Up there.
The sun's over there.
I mean that rocket.
That's a jet.
Somebody coming forward.
Parking lot. It says parking lot.
We made it.
Left. Locust Grove, Cedar Pond. Oh man, we are so far. Almost there. Freedom! Up, yep, that's a parking lot. Up here. We're done. We're done, big guy. Good job.